So just left the rebuild job. Had to make a couple touch-ups, painted the trim, added onto the trim, hung up the shelf, put up the door in the closet, and then Sam is absolutely killing it with the tile. I'm really excited to see how that turns out. He'll finish it tomorrow, and then I'll finish up my cleaning tomorrow, and they will be pretty much restored to their pre-loss condition. I'm really, really excited. So.